Hello and welcome to Grand Boudoir TV. At first glance, a vintage industrial table lamp might seem purely functional. Metal shade, exposed joints, visible screws, perhaps a cast iron base marked by decades of use. It feels mechanical, practical, even rough. But to reduce these lamps to factory decor is to misunderstand their cultural significance. Vintage industrial lamps were born in workshops, drafting rooms, factories, and laboratories during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Their purpose was precision. Light had to fall exactly where work demanded it, on blueprints, machinery, fine mechanical parts. Adjustable arms, swivel joints, weighted bases, every detail served efficiency. Form followed function long before it became a design slogan. But something unexpected happened over time. As heavy industry declined and creative industries rose, these lamps migrated from factories into studios and lofts. Architects, artists, and designers recognized something powerful in their honesty. There was no ornament disguising their structure. Screws were visible. Hinges were celebrated. Surfaces carried authentic wear, scratches, enamel chips, subtle oxidation. They were objects shaped by labor. This authenticity is precisely what makes them more than decor. In a modern interior filled with smooth surfaces and hidden technology, a vintage industrial lamp introduces tension. It reminds us of material reality, weight, balance, mechanics. The cool touch of steel, the density of cast iron, the matte glow of aged enamel. It anchors a room psychologically. Where many contemporary lamps aim to disappear, industrial lamps assert presence. Collectors look for originality. An untouched enamel shade with factory markings. A manufacturer's stamp beneath the base. Original joints that move with deliberate resistance. Rewired safely, yes, but structurally intact. Over-restoration can erase value. Stripping paint or polishing metal to a mirror finish removes the very character that defines the piece. There is also a deeper design narrative. Early industrial lighting influenced modernism and the Bauhaus philosophy. The idea that beauty emerges from utility reshaped 20th century design entirely. When you place a vintage machinist lamp on a refined wooden desk, you are not creating contrast. You are acknowledging the origins of modern aesthetics. These lamps also function uniquely in interior composition. Their directional light creates focused pools rather than ambient glow. This makes them ideal for reading corners, library desks, or layered lighting schemes within historic interiors. They perform as they were designed to, precisely and intentionally. So why are vintage industrial table lamps more than factory decor? Because they embody a turning point in design history, the moment utility became aesthetic language. They are survivors of working environments, transformed into symbols of authenticity in a world increasingly detached from visible mechanics. In the end, they remind us that beauty does not always begin with decoration. Sometimes it begins with necessity, and earns elegance through time. If you enjoyed this exploration into collectible lighting, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching Grand Boudoir TV.